Hi, this is Debbie from Wild Warehouse. I want to show you a short video today about using the Doris foam ink pods. These are a great little tool for adding colour to the raised areas of embossed designs. I've already cut some card layers and die cut a couple of circles that my greeting's going to go on, so I've got everything I need to get started and make my card. I'm going to start by putting the blue card into this Steampunk Gears embossing folder and running it through my die cutting machine. You can see we've got a lovely raised design now on this piece of blue card. These are my ink pods. You can see some of them had a bit of use already. They're just cylinders of white hard foam. They're double-ended, so the 24 pack gives you 48 colours that you can use. I'm going to use silver ink on this card today, so I'm taking a new ink pod out of the box and just dabbing it lightly into the ink to get some onto the end of the ink pod, and then working it slowly in a circular motion across the raised areas of the card. The ink transfers very easily, so you only need a very light touch with this. You don't need to press hard and end up getting ink in the bits where you don't want it. If you find when you've finished putting the ink on that you have made one or two smudges in areas where you don't want them, use a sand eraser to just gently rub away the ink. I think they're also called glass erasers. Anyway, they're linked below. This will just remove small traces of ink from anywhere where you don't want it and give you a nice finish. To complete the actual card now, I'm going to stamp the happy birthday greeting onto a blue die cut circle. I'm using the Misty to stamp this so that I can position it properly and have a second go if necessary. And then the card needs to be assembled. I'm using a white A6 card blank and layering that with silver card, and then putting the blue embossed card over the top of that. Blue die cut circle is mounted onto a slightly larger silver die cut circle, and that's then positioned on the card towards one side. All the products that I've used are available from our website and linked below. Thank you for watching.